today we're going to take a look at Apple and Amazon having a very good day, and we're going to take a look at why. Taking a look at the NASDAQ futures now. Let's take a look at the past couple days. We had these two sell-offs here. So we're going to see if our selling pressure is dying off by taking a look to see if our downward swings are getting smaller and coming down to a higher low. So measuring that downward swing and pitching it off this high, we can see that this downward swing is 61.8% of this downward swing. So as a result, taking a look at Amazon, which has had a beautiful 20-day sell-off from 33.50 all the way down to 30.85. So yesterday started to bounce. Now this blue Fibonacci extension is a previous low to high swing, which was a fairly decent run. So yesterday when we started to bounce, we projected that extension off of this low, and you can see we went up to tap a long-term 28.2 extension to pull back, to bounce off of, or to form red inverted hammers off of the short-term 28.2 extension. So that's kind of a nice bull flaggy looking pattern, consolidating right around the 28.2 extension. Plus we have the VWAP and the 8-day moving average trending up. When market opened this morning, you can see we pushed up right away and made a 65-point move before we started to pull back. And even if you pull back a little more, you can see this pennant flag looking pattern thing here, consolidating price action. So we might expect to see a pullback off the 31.60 area for Amazon with another move up. But you can see why Amazon had a good start today. We had good consolidation on that 28.2. This is a 10-day hourly chart. So for 3 hours we're just consolidating right there. And early this morning we just start to pick up right away. Apple, not going to go too much into this, but pretty similar pullback over a number of days. Push up to pull back with the double bottom. And wanted to mention quickly, if you're looking at this, downward swings getting smaller, and you wanted to draw a Fibonacci retracement, you could see that we stop right on the red 28.2 retracement level, or just above that, and almost close above the 47.5 in the same hour. So a pretty decent push after these downward swings have gotten smaller, coming down to a higher low, led to a nice push through this long-term 61.8 extension. Okay, so I hope this can help you assess when downward swings are getting smaller, coming down to a higher low. Have things on watch for a nice push, and have stocks in the same index like Amazon and Apple on watch for a nice push after a pullback as well.